Choose Your Cruise is excited to present Rock the Boat 2018, the biggest and best rock lineup to ever sail the high seas, starring Foreigner.
Feels like the first time.
With a formidable collection of 10 multi-platinum albums and 16 top 30 hits, including Feels Like the First Time, Cold as Ice,
Cold as ice.
Urgent, and I Want to Know What Love Is. They continue to be one of the hottest rock acts playing in the world today. On board, the lineup of rock royalty continues with 80s new wave favourites, The Romantics, along with Australian music legends Ross Wilson and Russell Morris, plus the award-winning Shannon Noll, Eurogliders, and Chocolate Starfish. There's The Voices, a celebration of Australian music, Harrisongs, a tribute to George Harrison, and Machine Head, the Deep Purple experience. In all, Rock the Boat 2018 features over 45 acts playing day and night across 7 stages on board Royal Caribbean's luxurious Radiance of the Seas. It's a cruise experience like no other, featuring non-stop entertainment, fun-filled theme nights and events, all enjoyed by over 2,000 music fans who love great rock music.
Hey, rock the boat!
The whole music, everyone's been great. Really.
And how the artists just wander the boat and you can just bump into them and say hi and chat with them. Have a brekkie with them if you're lucky enough. And just, yeah, it's been awesome.
Rock the Boat 2018 sails from Sydney from the 21st to the 28th of October. Ports of call include the quaint French colonial town of Nemea and the white sandy beaches of Lifau. It's a rockin' good time on the warm tropical waters of the South Pacific while enjoying the finest food and your favourite drinks, all served up by our fun-loving crew. It'll be an unforgettable musical holiday. Rock the Boat 2018. To book your cabin, just call 1300 247 371 or go to chooseyourcruise.com.au and we'll see you on board.
Thank you for singing, everyone. You sound so good. I know you can show.